Yes, here we are again at another glorious meet, the Husky Invite 2008.
Yes. Welcome one and all to Federal Away, Washington for another exciting day of competition!
First up, we have the women's 500 freestyle. We have a UPS heavy heat today.
Let's check out the lane assignments for event 3, heat 1. Wait, nobody really cares. And now for another word, our correspondent in the field, Katie Kiefer. Katie Kiefer. Correspondence from the field, Katie Kiefer.
Heat 5, lane 2. Right on, Trojans. It's going to be a long race.
How do you feel about the competition today at Federal Way, Washington?
We're definitely the fastest team and the hottest team, that is by far.
So you're saying that...
I don't know about that one there, Nick.
She's saying that we're very attractive, yes? Is that what you're saying, Katie Kiefer?
We might give them a run for their money in that compartment.
They have, how you say, nice chum. How you say chum. More later, direct from the field. Wreck ball. Now some words from Tanner Trowbridge.
If you two motions.
What's your favorite color?
Oh, pink.
If you were to be one animal in the entire world, what would it be?
A mongoose.
Why not a starfish? You don't want to be a starfish?
They don't really do anything.
Are you kidding me?
What is that? Is that a real animal?
What about a light purple chicken with very long feathers?
What is that? Why is he wearing that?
So you don't want to be a chicken with purple feathers. Now watch closely as we observe their mating rituals.
Are you on our legs? Yeah. Have you warmed up? Ow. Smile at the camera. Hannah!
This is a daily interaction at Hannah and the zoo. No shakes, no touching, no talking.
It appears the male has rejected the female and she leaves dejected.
We
return to our live coverage from the 2008 Husky Invitational. Now to catch up with our latest USC Trojans, let's have an interview with freshman swimmer Julian Bond.
Yes.
You've had an outstanding couple of days here at the 2008 Husky Invitational. How do you feel about your last swim in the 200-yard butterfly?
It's alright.
Alright. Any other comments? What's that lotion for? Would you like to put some on me?
Kind of.
Well, there you have it. Julian Bonds wants to put lotion on me. Until next time. Welcome back to the Husky Invitational. Well, we're about to play Guess That Booty. Go ahead, take a guess. Who do you think it is? Whoa. Hey! Hello and welcome back to the 2008 Husky Invitational! Here we are on day 2 at the finals. Now, let's go in for an interview with team captain Kazunori Miyahara. Kazunori, the Trojans put up an outstanding fight this morning during the prelims. How do you think your Warriors will fare tonight?
They will.
There you have it, folks! Victory or death? Until later. Welcome back to our live coverage from the 2008 Husky Invitational. And now, head coach of the USC swim team, Dave Saylor, has agreed to an on-camera interview. Let's see what Dave has to say. Mr. Saylor, a couple words. May we speak with your agent, Mr. Saylor? And there you have it, folks. Eloquence beyond belief. And now, the national anthem.
To be loud.
And we return to our coverage of the 2008 Husky Invitational. Here we are at the finals of the women's 800 freestyle relay. And now, a word from the field. To you, Kevin Bartel. Mr. Bartel. The women of Troy have put up a glorious fight this weekend. How do you think our women will fare in the 800 free relay? Your comments?
They'll win.
folks, short and sweet. Will the women of Troy dominate and remain champions? Or will they crumble under the pressure of immense pressure? And they're off.